Good day, doodlers! Today we're going to be looking at how to start drawing pretty much any character. I'm going to show you the guides I sketch out whenever I draw someone, then I'll show you how I follow these guides to design or create any character I want. You can use this same trick to make a quick start on any drawing. Let's go! So here's how I start all of my drawings. I begin with a wide circle. It's just kind of like an oval for the head. Okay, so lots of light little strokes to make sure it kind of meets up. Okay, then I draw a line right down the middle of it, almost like I'm cutting that circle in half. And then, carrying on from that line, I continue down a little bit further, so that this line is just a little bit taller than the circle we drew before, maybe the same height. And then I stop, I draw a line across it like this to make an upside down T shape. Then I draw a couple more lines going down. And again, not too long, maybe the same length as the torso that we drew before, this bit. And finally, just some downward curving arms coming from just below where the head is. And there we go, straight away we've got a guide for how to draw pretty much any character you like. You can customize this to add any features you want, so I'm just going to add a couple of silly eyes. A nice tall eye on this side, and a tall eye on the other side. You can do whatever you want with your guide. You can, honestly, the whole idea is to set up any drawing this way, and then you can add whatever you like to it. So I'm just kind of drawing a silly face on mine. I'm going to draw a little smile. Maybe some big cheeks. Okay. And now I'm going to thicken out those arms a bit. Just follow the lines that I drew before. That's why the guide is so useful, because they're just kind of lines that we follow. And it makes it so you don't have to think too much about it later when you're designing your character. So I'm just drawing on some arms now, and thicken out the torso. Then I can just add some hands on the end. 3 fingers and a thumb, and 3 fingers. Okay, and now onto the legs. So we can kind of follow these down, because we used this line here, this one, to establish just how wide the torso was going to be. So again, we didn't have to think about it later. So I can follow this down and then draw a couple of feet coming off the sides of these legs. Come to about here, draw a line up. Now I don't want to go all the way up, I want to draw the bottom of the torso about here actually, just because I think it'll look a little bit better. Then draw another line that goes down into another foot, and curve it back up into the leg. And there we have it. Straight away we've got quite a silly looking character, and we can add any features we want to this. We can add maybe a little badge on the chest, maybe some freckles, maybe some eyelashes. Okay, so you can be as creative with this as you like. Once you've got the guide down, you can add anything you want to your character, and this is generally how I start all of my drawings, regardless of who the character is, unless I want them to have a very specific pose in mind. If I don't have a pose that I particularly want them to have, I just start my drawings like this. Okay. And again, because you're using a pencil, you can just rub out anything that you drew that you don't like. So there we go. I hope that was useful. Now you know a really quick and easy way to start drawing almost anyone you want to. It really is as simple as that. Don't forget to throw us a thumbs up and subscribe to see more awesome, easy tutorials. Until next time.